What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the floating object animation, and we will use only one picture to create it into the animation. How to create that one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that we will use here is the Meta AI, and if you would like to access it, then don't forget to do the login first, whether that from your Facebook or the Instagram account. And after that, you will see the home page of this Meta AI. Well, here you can create, let's say, generate a picture or revive the picture into the animation, or you can also create the video animation from the text or prompt into the real video. And also you can add something in general over here. And if you scroll down, you'll find the video or the animation from another user. Isn't that cool, right? So you can start to create it. And for example, I will add the media or add the previous or preference picture over here. For example, I will choose this one. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section. Make the animation of this plate of pancakes, and also make the animation as if the pancake is now floating on the ocean toward the peninsula during the midday and also in the bright blue sky. And the wave is not really big or even. And after that, you can continue to click send and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before to change this picture into the animation. And after that, you can see over here, this is the animation we got. And as you can see, the look is quite realistic and beautiful from the picture that has no background, only a pancake or a plate of pancakes. And after that, this can be transformed into this floating pancakes toward this peninsula on the ocean. And if you like it, then you can start to download, and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.